So let's take a look at our Euro JPY for the week. Let's try and see where our price will actually be moving for the week. See, if you watch my previous video, I did analysis on our JPY. You can actually go back to watch it, where we predicted that we would have this fall, and guess what? That Friday we had that huge massive fall we actually predicted, and I'm telling you again, this week we would continue to have that for at least to this key level here area, which is at least to 137.648. That is exactly where we are aiming for our Euro JPY to actually fall to. Possibility that once it hits it, then it can continue, it will have a retracement on our daily time frame, then a fall again. As we can see, we are having a fall here. Once we hit our key level, a retracement, then a possible fall again. Now let's sit on our JPY index. As we can see now, we were actually on, this was our analysis we did it the last time. So we know we actually predicted that our JPY index will actually go bullish, and it actually did that bullish move. We saw that our JPY push up, retracement, it broke above this our key level here, and now it has hit another key level here. What do we think will happen next is that on our 4-hour time frame, our JPY index will actually retrace again. So once our JPY retrace, which means it will fall, then our euro should actually give us that bullish move upward. Exactly what's on our 4-hour time frame, by the way. We would probably see that bullish move upward first. When we actually see that bullish move, then we would see a fall. As you can see, a massive fall here, by the way. We would anytime very soon we will see a retracement. Then once we get that retracement, then we would actually see that fall again. So above all, once our euro is falling, our JPY will actually be rising. As we can see on our 4-hour time frame, we are aiming for our JPY index should go bullish for this week. I'm still aiming for it to actually go bullish, but before it goes that, I would want to see a pullback on my 4-hour time frame. As we can see on this our 4-hour time frame, we've actually pushed up very well. So anytime soon we would want to see that retracement. As we can see it on our daily time frame, one key level here. As we can see, this is actually a key level here. We can see our price came in and bounced up, our price came in, came down. We see that this has actually served as a key level. So now back on our 4-hour time frame, we can see this massive movement. We would want to see a retracement before we continue going bullish. So once we see that retracement, a fall on our JPY, then our euro JPY should go bullish. And once we start going bullish on our JPY index, then our euro to our JPY will fall. So that is my analysis for the week. Don't forget to subscribe, by the way.